Today in this video, we'll see how to reserve a name in the WhatsApp. This is the current feature that is launched by WhatsApp. So you need to do this before it gets by someone. So here you can open the WhatsApp and then do from here as well. Or if not, go to the account and go to the username. Then you can create a username that is unique to you and that is not reserved by someone else. So just put the username that you want. Here, this username is taken by someone else. So I'll put the username different one. And this is available. So I'll put this one and the username is reserved. Click on done. So you can be contacted by username as well. So you don't need to share the phone number to someone else now. This is how you can reserve the username in the WhatsApp. And thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. I will get back to you. I will see you in another video. Thank you.